Hello everybody. Today at Bob's Watches we are introducing a pre-owned Rolex Yacht-Master 16622. This watch contains an F serial number, indicating it was produced by Rolex in the years 2003 to 2005. The characteristics include a stainless steel Oyster bracelet with an Oysterlock clasp. The dial is a platinum dial with a superluminova display and has a red seconds hand. The case is 40mm stainless steel with a platinum bi-directional rotating time-lapse bezel and has a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal as well as an automatic 3-1-3-5 movement. This Yacht-Master comes with the Rolex box, hang tags, polishing cloth, and we offer a Bob's certificate of authenticity, as well as a warranty card. As all watches we sell, this watch comes with a 3-day satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty. You can purchase this watch by clicking the link in the description below, or by searching for Bob's Watches 16622 in Google. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe for future videos.